Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Power off, unplug, and ground yourself. Static kills components. First, remove both side panels and take clear photos of cable routing so you can reverse it. Next, label every front panel connector and I/O cable with tape. This saves time later. Unscrew and remove expansion cards, then loosen drives and note which standoffs are used. Once done, carefully lift the motherboard just enough to check cable lengths and confirm all mounting points align before moving to the new case. Now move components into the new case. Install the standoffs in the pattern that matches your motherboard size and test fit first. Mount the power supply and route the 24-pin and CPU 8-pin close to their destinations so cables won't be tight. Carefully lower the motherboard onto standoffs, align rear I/O, and fasten screws hand-tight in a diagonal pattern. Reinstall expansion cards and drives, but leave front panel and fan connections for last, so you can optimize cable paths and airflow before finish by connecting front panel headers, SATA cables, GPU power, and all case fans, making clean cable channels and securing with zip ties. Power up and enter BIOS to confirm CPU, memory, and drive detection before replacing side panels. If the system fails to post, immediately power down and reseat RAM and GPU. Check the CPU 8-pin and 24-pin are fully seated and that no extra standoffs short the board. One quick troubleshooting tip. A single misplaced standoff often causes no-post issues. Inspect the board underside.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.